In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gift card on the Uber app. If you've received an Uber gift card and you're not sure how to apply it to your account, don't worry. The process is simple, and once the card is redeemed, the balance is added to your Uber Cash so you can use it for rides or Uber Eats orders. To get started, open the Uber app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap Account. This is where you'll find your personal settings, payment options, and wallet details. From the Account section, select Wallet. Your wallet is where Uber stores your payment methods, including cards, digital balances, and Uber Cash. After that, tap Add Payment Method. This option lets you add a new way to pay for rides or food orders. Next, choose Gift Card. This is the option you'll use to redeem the value from your card. You'll then be prompted to enter the gift card code. If your card includes a scannable code and your app supports it, you may also have the option to scan the card instead of typing it in manually. If you're entering the code yourself, take your time and make sure everything is entered correctly. Once the code is in place, tap Add. At that point, the gift card balance will be transferred to your Uber Cash balance. This means the money is now stored in your Uber account and can be used the next time you make a purchase through Uber. After redeeming the card, it's a good idea to verify that the balance was added successfully. To do that, go back to Account, then open Wallet again. Look for the Uber Cash section where you'll be able to see your available balance. This is the amount you currently have ready to use. When you're ready to use the gift card balance, start placing an Uber ride request or an Uber Eats order as you normally would. Continue until you reach checkout. In the payment section, make sure Uber Cash is selected as your payment method, then complete your order. Uber will automatically deduct the cost from your Uber Cash balance. If your balance covers the full total, no additional payment method will be charged. If the purchase costs more than the amount available in Uber Cash, the remaining balance will be billed to your backup payment method on file. That's all there is to it. Once your gift card is redeemed, using it is quick and seamless through the Uber app.